wanted to show you my vision boards for 2023, and I broke them down into each goal. So I have 6 and 6 goals. So the first one is my beauty channel. It's reaching 100,000 subscribers on this channel that you're on now. Hopefully I can grow that. I would obviously love your help to do that, but I just put pictures that will help me and inspire me to do that. Obviously editing and planning is a major component, and then we have this the goal right here, right, which is this little trophy that YouTube awards you. The next one here is achieving my bikini body, and I also put this letter A here. But yeah, that is the goal for the bikini body. I put some bikinis here, and obviously the bikini bodies there. The next one is visit France, and I just put, obviously that one goes without saying, some things that I would love to see about France. I also put these little glasses there. All right, down here we have the God Girls community, and I don't know what that will look like right now, but I do know that I want it to be Bible based. I do know that I want it to be Bible study, and I want it to be like in person and everyone just having their Bible, right? And then here I want like a community where girls like lean on each other and pray for each other. So I don't know what that'll look like. I'm really letting God move me there. That's why there's blank spaces here. All right, the next one is running a marathon. So this is called the Dallas Marathon specifically. So there's like pictures of Dallas, but also running. And she has like, you know, a victory pose, right? Because she made it, and that will be me. And then here I have 2 feet, or two roads that lead to running. All right, and then the last one is my spiritual goals. And my friend gave me this, and I just love it, so I put it here as well. But I want to attend 40 in-person services to church. So here you could see these are like mostly, you know, in-person services. This is my actual church, and this is a picture of my church as well. So I just got them down right from our church website. I want to tithe $100,000, or I'm sorry, 10,000, and I want to read the Bible in a year. So those are my goals there, and I think seeing them visually here will be such a game changer. This is the first time I've done this.